Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. According to one website, it's healthy for people to go anywhere from 3 times a day to 3 times a week. For some people, it's easier to go with the help of some morning coffee. Do you know what I'm talking about? This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It illustrates a person sitting above a toilet and, well, going. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? Because the remainder of the digested food exits the body, this character came to mean go or go away. It is used like this, 出去, which means go out, and 去年, which means last year or the year that went away. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly. Now that you know the main character, let's look at a few more characters. Can you spot the difference from the main character? Sometimes an extra line is added to a character like this for emphasis. So, if this means to go, then this means an emphasized go, or an emphasized departure. This character means to lose or to throw away. Can you spot the character for lose in this sentence? This sentence means, I lost my bicycle in the morning. Let's look at another character. The extra symbol that you see next to the main character means water. When water is flowing, or going, it is following the natural laws of physics. And for a large group of people to live in harmony and flow together like water, there needs to be laws. This character means law. It is used in these words, 办法, which means method or way, and 语法, which means grammar or syntax. It's time for another character. The extra symbol that you see on top of the main character means net. As you can see, it is preventing someone from going. This character means stop or finish. It is used in this word, 罢工, which means walk out or strike. Let's look at one more character. You can still see the main character, right? And you can still see the net. The new symbol on the side means hand. So it's the act of stopping something from moving using your hand. This character means put or arrange. With the hand, you can purposely put or arrange a net to trap an animal. Can you find the character in this sentence? This sentence means put the book on the table. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.